The planets of the solar system. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun, so it is unsurprising that it is hot. It does not have a moon. Venus is considered one of the rocky planets. It spins in the opposite direction from most other planets. Earth is the only planet with confirmed life. It is the only planet that is not named after a god. Mars is home to the largest mountain in the solar system. If you were on Mars, the Sun would appear about half the size as it does on Earth. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has more mass than all of the other planets combined. Jupiter has the shortest day of all of the planets. Saturn is the planet farthest away that can be seen with the naked eye. It is the planet that is known for its extensive rings. Uranus is the first planet discovered by a telescope. It has the coldest temperatures of any of the planets. Neptune has a small collection of faint rings. It is the furthest from the Sun in our solar system. It is also the smallest gas giant.
Thank you. That's all today. See you tomorrow.